Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, small and mid-sized businesses need a sales platform that's simple, powerful, and cost-effective. HubSpot Sales Hub claims to compete with Salesforce for SMBs. Let's break it down. HubSpot Sales Hub combines CRM, pipeline management, email tracking, and automation in one easy-to-use platform. Teams can manage deals, prioritize leads, and get insights without the complexity of enterprise systems. Its integrations, reporting, and user-friendly interface making it ideal for SMBs looking to grow efficiently and scale their sales processes. HubSpot Sales Hub helps small and mid-sized teams sell smarter, faster, and more effectively. If you're an SMB looking for a sales solutions in 2025, HubSpot Sales Hub delivers simplicity, automation, and actionable insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.